Hello everyone. Welcome to English Learning Studio. Today we are going to watch a simple conversation about shopping at a clothing store. In this video, you will listen to an easy and clear story between a customer and a shop assistant. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the conversation. Before we begin, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. What size shirt does Alex finally choose? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your skills more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Wow, this store is really nice.
Hello, welcome to our store. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm just looking for a shirt.
Of course, take your time. Are you looking for something casual or formal?
Something casual, but also a little stylish.
Smiles. That's a great choice. We have many new arrivals this week. What kind of color do you like?
I like blue and maybe black.
Great. Blue is very popular. Let me show you something.
Oh, that looks nice.
This is one of our best-selling shirts.
It feels really soft. I like it. Do you have this in medium size?
Let me check. Yes, we have medium and large.
I'm not sure. Sometimes medium is too small for me.
No problem. You can try both sizes.
Okay, that sounds good.
The fitting room is over there.
Thank you. I will try them now. I think this one is a bit tight.
Let me see. Yes, the medium looks a little tight on you.
Yeah, I think so too.
Try the large size. It might fit better.
Oh, this feels much better.
Yes, it looks great on you. Very comfortable and stylish.
Yes, I like this one. I will take it. How much does this cost?
Only $120, sir.
Oh, this is a bit expensive.
Yes, it is a premium shirt. The quality is very good.
It does feel nice, but I was hoping for something a little cheaper.
I understand. Would you like to see something more affordable?
Yes, please, that would be great.
All right, let me show you another option. This one is similar in style, but the price is lower.
Oh, this looks good too.
And it is also very comfortable.
It feels okay, but I think I like the first one more.
Actually, we have a small discount today.
Oh, really? That sounds interesting.
Yes, you can get 10% off on this shirt.
That's great.
So, would you like to take it?
Yes, I think I will go with the large size.
Good choice. It suits you very well. Please come to the counter.
Sure.
How would you like to pay? Cash or card?
I will pay by card.
All right. Please insert your card here.
Okay. Done.
Yes, the payment is successful.
Great.
Here is your receipt and your shirt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you for your help.
It was my pleasure.
I will come again. How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question one more time. What size shirt does Alex finally choose? Did you find the answer? If you did, please write it in the comments section. By practicing English like this, you can improve your speaking and thinking skills more effectively. On this channel, I share simple and easy English stories to help beginners learn natural conversations step by step. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to like this video and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Bye, everyone.